In a world where success is often measured in dollars and followers, one man defies convention and sparks debate. A kickboxing champion, a multi-millionaire entrepreneur, a controversial influencer, the top G wears many hats. But who is the man behind the headlines? And how did a boy who once cried over a chess game become a phenomenon that commands attention, adoration, and criticism? Ready to dive into the world of a man who has become a paradox, a puzzle, and a reflection of a generation's aspirations and dilemmas. This is the rise of Andrew Tate. Andrew Tate's early life is a fascinating study in contrasts. Born Emory Andrew Tate III on December 1, 1986 in Washington, D.C., he grew up in Luton, England. His mother worked as a caterer, and his father, Emory, was a renowned chess player. Andrew was nearly 2 years older than his brother Tristan, and he took on the role of a protective older sibling. Growing up, Andrew was exposed to the world of competition and strategy. He was introduced to chess at a young age, and his father's influence was evident in his approach to the game. But it wasn't just chess that shaped young Andrew. He was drawn to the world of martial arts and kickboxing, and his online presence began to take shape as he engaged in online forums, stirring up attention for his bouts. A Dutch kickboxer who defeated Andrew in 2016 claimed that the alpha male persona was all an act. Was it an act, or was it a manifestation of a personality shaped by competition, ambition, and a desire to stand out? Andrew's early life provides clues to understanding the complex figure he would become. According to a BuzzFeed news article, Andrew's family was a mix of violent, competitive men and high-achieving women. That's why his early life was filled with ups and downs, moments of tension and laughter. His father's competitive nature was evident, even pulling a young Andrew from a chess tournament to save him from crying in front of others. However, soon after began Andrew Tate's kickboxing career, a story of success, determination, and controversy. Starting his professional kickboxing journey in 2007, he quickly rose through the ranks, winning 76 out of 85 fights. His aggressive style, coupled with his ability to promote himself, made him a star in the kickboxing world. He won 4 championships across 2 weight classes in ISKA kickboxing, including titles like Infusion Live World Champion, ISKA World Full Contact Light Cruiserweight Champion, and ISKA English Full Contact Cruiserweight Champion. His earnings reached around $100,000 per fight, a testament to his skill and marketability. But it wasn't all smooth sailing. Andrew's controversial statements and provocative personality made him a polarizing figure. Some loved him for his confidence and swagger, while others criticized him for his arrogance and disregard for sportsmanship. Nonetheless, his kickboxing career not only laid the foundation for his future endeavors, but also set the stage for the controversies that would follow him. It was a glimpse into a personality that knew how to win, how to promote, and how to stir the pot. Now began Andrew Tate's transition from kickboxing to entrepreneurship, a rather natural progression for a man driven by ambition and a desire to succeed. His business ventures are as diverse as they are successful, ranging from real estate to e-commerce, social media marketing, and more. Tate's real estate investments have been a significant contributor to his wealth. He has invested in various properties, ranging from residential to commercial. He has developed properties from scratch, including luxury apartments in Romania through his company, Tate Investments. His portfolio of rental properties is vast, and he constantly seeks new opportunities in real estate, turning once neglected properties into profitable assets. Leveraging his online influence, Tate has monetized his social media platforms. He uses his understanding of algorithms and marketing strategies to launch successful campaigns for his businesses and offers social media marketing services to other entrepreneurs. His ability to connect with audiences and promote products has turned his social media presence into a lucrative business. Tate's ventures into e-commerce have been particularly successful. He has launched several online stores selling products like fitness supplements and luxury watches. His expertise in dropshipping and ability to identify profitable niches has led to thriving online businesses. He has mastered the art of creating compelling marketing campaigns and building effective sales funnels, turning online stores into money-making machines. His wealth is also a result of wise investments and diversification. He has invested in various sectors, including cryptocurrency, where he has reaped substantial profits. His ability to spot trends and invest in emerging markets has allowed him to multiply his wealth. Andrew Tate's success in business is not just about the ventures he has undertaken, but the mindset he has embraced. He invests in himself and his ideas, constantly looking to grow and expand his portfolio of businesses. His estimated net worth of $365 million is a testament to his business acumen and a reflection of his determination to succeed. His wealth didn't come overnight. It was a result of strategic planning, risk-taking, and a keen understanding of market trends. But it's not just his business ventures that have caught the public's eye. Andrew Tate's influence extends beyond the boardroom and into the lives of a generation. His ideologies, particularly those related to gender and masculinity, have sparked both admiration and controversy. Andrew Tate's influence on this generation is a multifaceted and highly debated subject. On one hand, he is seen as a symbol of success, and his story of rising from a competitive family to becoming a kickboxing champion and successful entrepreneur resonates with many young people who aspire to achieve success on their terms. Tate's social media presence, with millions of followers on platforms like Instagram and YouTube, has allowed him to reach a wide audience. He shares his thoughts on success, motivation, relationships, and personal development, often in a provocative and unfiltered manner. His followers admire his confidence, swagger, and no-nonsense approach to life. However, on the other hand, Tate's influence has been criticized for promoting ideologies that are seen as harmful, especially to young men and boys. His statements on women, marriage, and relationships have drawn criticism for being misogynistic and regressive. He has been accused of promoting a toxic alpha male persona that objectifies women and encourages unhealthy attitudes towards relationships. His appeal to the incel, involuntary celibate subculture, has raised concerns about the impact of his rhetoric on young men's attitudes towards women and relationships. The growth of the dangerous incel movement, which promotes attitudes that blame women for low self-worth and inability to progress in intimate relationships, has been fueled in part by Tate's following. Furthermore, Tate's influence extends beyond his social media presence. He offers courses and coaching programs that promise to teach others how to achieve success in various areas of life, from business to relationships. These programs, often priced at thousands of dollars, have been both praised for their insights and criticized for their high costs and questionable value. The question of Andrew Tate's influence is not just about his words and actions. It's about the society that has allowed him to thrive. It's about the values we promote, the behaviors we tolerate, and the messages we send to our young people. It's about the fine line between inspiration and manipulation, between empowerment and exploitation. Is Andrew Tate a hero or a villain? A role model or a cautionary tale? The answer depends on who you ask, and it reflects the complexity of a man who continues to shape and be shaped by the world around him. So, as you reflect on the story of Andrew Tate, ask yourself this: what does his life tell us about ourselves? What does it reveal about our values, our aspirations, and our challenges? And most importantly, what can we learn from his story that can help us navigate the complex landscape of success, influence, and responsibility in the modern world? Tell us what you think in the comments below. This brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. See you next time.